When I visit at bus stop, people are talking to each other. When I see in metro, people, they have some kind of conversation. When I'm going from the street, I can see someone is talking over the call. They are saying something. So dear friend, usually what happen, we don't have anything to learn. So here what I can tell you, I can suggest you to improve your English. Whatever you are listening, whatever you are hearing from the society or public places, anywhere, you can just translate. We know that those people are not speaking English, so we can identify their sentences as vocabularies, and then we can translate in English. Maybe when you translate first time, second time, third time, you can't able to translate in a right way, in an accurate way, but the more you are doing, you will get to know about the vocabulary, sentences, and grammar, structure. So many things you will get to know about. So dear friend, in this way you can do practice, your English will be amazing. Hope this video will improve your fluency. If you like, please share and subscribe.